Today, we're diving into the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, a flagship that promises to redefine smartphone excellence. From its massive battery to its quad-camera prowess, let's explore what makes this device stand out. First up, design. The Find X8 Ultra features a sleek 6.82-inch LTPO OLED display with a 2K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Oppo has opted for a flat display, moving away from the curved edges seen in many flagships today. This change not only enhances durability, but also offers a more immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Find X8 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, coupled with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this device handles it all with ease. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the quad camera system, featuring 450-megapixel sensors, a 1-inch Sony LIT900 main sensor for stunning detail, a Sony IMX882 ultra-wide-angle lens, a Sony IMX906 telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, another Sony IMX882 sensor for additional versatility. With Hasselblad tuning and advanced imaging capabilities, this setup delivers exceptional results in various lighting conditions. Powering the device is a colossal 6,100 mAh battery. Oppo has equipped the Find X8 Ultra with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. Built to last, the Find X8 Ultra boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance. Running on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, it offers a clean, intuitive interface with enhanced customization options. To sum it up, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or tech enthusiast, this device is built to impress. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Have questions or thoughts about the Find X8 Ultra? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.